Okay, back at the field on this morning after those hard landings the last time out. Make sure everything's straight. No run cam on this first flight. Go upwind. Bring it back around. Gear check. Bring these gears up.
Gear up.
Gears are up. And let's go fly. Interesting. I got him. Why is this thing climbing on me? Okay, I'm gonna bring the elevator back down. Damn it. I thought I had this trimmed out. This one's gonna be a quick flight off one pack. I'm gonna bring it down, readjust the elevator.
Gear down.
I'm landing from the left. My elevator is off. It's not feeling right. That was another quick flight because another control surface issue. Damn it. I'll leave the same pack in. We'll go up again. Make sure the elevator is trimmed out.
Middle rates, low rates.